how to adjust the playback speed in VLC media player. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can adjust the playback speed of any video on VLC media player. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over and open VLC media player and then open the file. And then what you're going to do is simply right click on it. And then you'll be able to see this option that says playback. Then you're going to click on speed. And here there are numerous speeds. So first we have is faster, we have faster fine, normal speed, slower, fine, and slower. So you can do whichever you want. So let's just select slower. Now you can see that the video is slow. If you want really fast, you can simply click on playback and then you can click on speed, click on faster. Like you can see, it is fast right now. So that is basically how you can adjust the playback speed in VLC media players. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.